Hey guys, it's your girl Selling. Today I'm coming to you with a makeup tutorial. Summer, colorful, bright, super bright. I'm loving the way how the look turned out too. If you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this look using the NYX of Tropic eyeshadow palette to achieve this look, you already know what to do. Just stick around, enjoy, and if you watch this video to the end, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and as well turn notification bell on. So to start up, I'm going to be doing my face before I normally do. I'm just going to be taking my Smashbox Iconic Primer Stick. I'm just going to apply that all over my face. And then I'm going to be using my beauty blender just to use that to dab that all over my face. I'm gently dabbing. That brings me back to you, yeah. So guys, I'm going to be setting my face using the Hudabeauty Bakery powder in banana bread. I'm just going to set my face with that before I go in with the foundation. Foundation, I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation in the shade Almond. I'm just going to use the applicator just to use that to dab all over my face. You guys know I'm extra when I'm doing my video, when I'm doing my makeup. Okay, I'm just going to do my jazz. So to blend the foundation, I'm going to be using the makeup brush by NYX Cosmetics, and for extra smoothness, for extra finish, for airbrush look, I'm going to be using my Technique sponge to do the finish like always. There's something inside. So guys, to set all my face before going with the concealer, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty, the Profile Hazelnut, just to set my face. Every product I'm using on this video, guys, please always check the description box. I'm going to list everything down there like I always do. So go in with the Nars Radiant concealer in the shade medium dark. I'm just going to apply that all over, under my eye, my nose, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my cupid's bone. So for extra highlights, I'm going to be using the Catrice concealer full coverage, and I'm just going to apply that directly in the place I apply the place I apply the first concealer, which is the Nars Radiant concealer, and then the shade of this one is 060. No, I can't hide it. No, I can't hide it anymore. So to contour my face, to give my face extra dimension, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 410 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbone, my forehead, the side of my head, my nose, all those jazz. I'm just going to contour. We need to contour, we need to sculpture our face, guys. Okay, I'm going to be using the Technique sponge, the flat side, just to use that to buff that contour product, the darker shade. Normally I will use a brush, but since we have the Technique sponge already on our hands, so no need to waste another brush. Okay. So guys, in this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using a lot of brushes because we are working with a lot of color. So for my nose, I'm going to be taking my my contour brush by Cosmetics. I'm just going to use that to blend my nose contour, and moving forward, use the other pointed side of the Technique sponge. I'm just going to use that to blend in the highlight. First I start from my chin, and then I start my forehead, and then under my eye. So guys, to set in my highlighter, I'm going to be using I didn't show this, I'm using the Hudabeauty Bakery powder, the one I used to set my face earlier on. So I already primed my eyelid, did my eyebrow off camera. I'm just going to move forward, taking this NYX of Tropic palette. This palette is so gorgeous, guys. It's so beautiful. I wasn't even sure the look, or the look I know, but the color I was having on my mind. So I'm going to be taking this orange, beautiful pygmy bold orange color. I'm taking this 6+ eyeshadow brush. As you can tell, I was just deciding, should I do a V, should I do a cat eye? So that was the reason why I was just taking a moment. So I'm just going to kind of do a V. In fact, So now I'm taking this purple, beautiful purple shade. I'm going to be applying that on my crease, but half of my crease. I'm not doing straight to my inner corner. I'm just going to leave it there, and I'm using another brush. This makeup demands a lot of brush, guys. You have no other choice. So I'm going to be taking this kind of burgundy, light burgundy shade. I'm just going to take another pointed round brush. I'm just going to use that to blend the edges super duper softly. Moving forward, I'm going to be cutting my crease halfway. Okay, I'm cutting my crease halfway, and I'm taking this concealer by Catrice, the one I showed you before. I'm taking my BH Cosmetic concealer brush. I'm just going to use that to cut my crease. So for my crease color, I'm going to start first with that beautiful purple, the one I apply on my crease. I'm just going to apply that on the edges. At the same time, try to blend in the orange together. So for my inner corner, I'm going to be taking this beautiful blue. Oh my god, on camera it looks a bit turquoise, but on real life, trust me, it's a blue. I'm just going to apply that on the rest lid remaining. So I'm just dabbing, and I'm still going to go ahead once again, take that light burgundy shade. I'm just going to blend everything together, and I'm going to go ahead and wing my eye off camera. I use the NYX gel liner, so I'm just going to do the same thing that I do on my lid. I'm going to do it on my bottom lashes, guys. So yeah, there was nothing too special under my eye. The same method I use on my lid. So like I said, this is what I'm using on my bottom lashes, guys. Wow, there was a bit fallout, so I just had to buff it off. But trust me, before I move forward, trust me, this eyeshadow is so well constructed, so well made. There was no fallout at all. I'm really happy, really impressed on this eyeshadow. Trust me, it worth the price. It was 18 bucks. So yeah, for extra color, for extra dimension, we want to be extra. You know, I love to be extra. Yeah, I'm feeling the look. Anyway, guys, I'm taking this NYX yellow eyeliner. I'm just going to apply that direct to that place I cut the crease, and same time I'm winging it out through the yellow, the orange color. I'm loving this look, guys. I'm just going to gently blend out the edges of that yellow eyeliner so that it's not going to be too sharp. So for extra bow makeup, or extra bow makeup, I'm going to be taking this Kiss Lashes. It's super wispy. I'm loving it. So to spray my face, to make my face a bit dewy, I'm going to be taking the MAC Fix Plus. I'm just going to spray that all over my face so my face can be a little bit put together, not too powderish. So for mascara, I'm just going to apply this Nars mascara just a little bit, and as well on my bottom lashes. Okay, now I'm going to pop on my lashes so we can glow to the guts. Wow, guys, I'm going to be doing a lashes collection very soon. I went ahead and purchased a lot of lashes. I'm loving them, but I want to try something different, not always the same thing. All right, so guys, now we need to glow to the wind. Glow, baby, extra baby, glow. I'm going to be taking this Becca highlighter. This one is called Oppo. You guys know I've used this highlight on my much bunch of video here on YouTube. So yeah, I'm just going to pop that on the area which need to be highlighted. Okay, as for my lips, I'm going to be taking this lip liner by Maybelline. This is my Rada Dye Copper Brown.
It's hard that brings me back to you, yeah.
For the lip, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Vivid matte liquid lipstick in the shade Teddy Bear. Yeah, Teddy Bear. For extra shine, taking the Catrice lip glance. I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. Okay, we are pretty much done with the look, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. It was really fun. And yeah, I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Take care, ciao. Mwah.
To get you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. This something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore.